Hey, random people out there on the internet. So, continuing to refurbish my benches and renew them. In the meantime, I decided this would be a great time to go ahead and install a T-track. If you're not familiar with it, of course, a T-track allows you to slide things in it, suck them down so that you can have like a stop block on there so that when you pass your wood through your miter saw, you can pass it right up that stop block consistently, cutting the same length each and every time. I've got the DeWalt 20 volt plunge router here I'm going to be using, and it has actually a dust attachment to it, so I hooked up my little Ryobi so we can collect some dust. I haven't ever done this, so this will be an exercise for me in trying to figure it all out. I did set the plunge depth so that it's the thickness of this. What I did is I put two of these side by side, plunged the router down until it touched the tabletop, lock that as the full depth. On most routers, you'll find they have turret stops, and these are ever increasing lower and lower. So I'm going to be doing this in like 3 passes. The first time when it comes down, it'll strike this right here, and then the next time I'll turn that turret like this, and then finally on the last pass I'll turn it one more time to get the full depth. Again, I haven't done this before, so you guys bear with me as we learn together. Here we go. Well, that went a little poorly right there. I'm an amateur, and I guess that's showing pretty good. And I'm not sure that my bit width was quite wide enough. Actually, it is. I just have to kind of bump it in there, I think. Maybe touch up a little bit on this end, and I'll get that thing to sit in there. But I've got that nasty little gouge in there. Not much I can do about that. But I am going to run one more pass and try to pull just a little bit closer on this edge. because it's just a little too tight. All right, one more time. Still just a touch tight. That'll get it in there. Is it deep enough? Let me get my rubber mallet. Pause.